Hello everybody, and today is our second C++ tutorial, and this one's going to be on data types. So let's get started. Before the lesson, I have whipped up a little data type table, and while we wait for the compiler, this is all the data types. Void is unassociated. You can just pause this and read, because I'm going to take it off now. Pause and read if you want. Okay, good. Let's get started. Let's do something with these data types. Data types are a piece of memory. They are an integer. Integer is a compiler that's memorizing a letter and assigning it to a string. That's what it's doing. You have a word, and that word means a number. That's an integer. Okay? So just include your normal IOUT stream and include conio.h. and use our local namespace. And of course our function. We're going to have no preferences this time. And here is going to be what we do. Now you type in int to do an integer. An integer, you can say int mine. And say equals 5. That's going to be an integer. And we're going to have another integer saying int hello equals 5. And now when you say cout mine hello, when you do that, and we'll have to save the program. Oh wait, sorry, I haven't entered it. Get and end the program. When we save this and compile this later, we will have 55 because we have put them side to side and they are both 5. Okay? There's not actually 55, it's just 2 5s right next to each other. If we put a space in between them, you will now see there's 5 and 5. Or we can just put end L. Wait. Sorry, I just compiled it. Yeah. Okay, good. Now, integers can be changed. So we can say, after we said cout, we could say int, mine equals 7. And then we could say cout mine. Or we could say mine plus plus plus, which is mine plus 1. And we can say cout mine. Or we can say mine equals mine plus hello. And we could do cout mine. And we'll just put some end lines in here. And now when we compile this, we will see 5 5 7 8 13. We have what we said here now is 7. Now we plus 1, which is 8, and we've added 5, and that's 13. So integers are active. Now integers aren't the only data type, of course. We're just going to leave this here. We have characters, all the integers pretty much work the same. We have double. Double is a decimal number. It's not a whole number. Int integer is only a whole number. And we can have strings. String will not come in bold letters. I don't know why. I think it's not originally in the library. You need to put semicolons after all of them, because we are declaring something. We could put here. Let's see. What other data types do we have? I have terrible memory. We have a float. A float is a double. It's just float. You'd have to say f something. You'd be f mine, and then it would be equal 0.5 f. There. It doesn't really do anything else. It's just a float point number. It has not really that special. Now when we see, of course if we see out any of them, they will give it what they are. Because we haven't changed it, so it's no point. You'll get it. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have somebody to put it in. We're gonna have to put something in. We're going to enter in and half. We're gonna enter in all of these. We're gonna say cin mine, because it's undefined. It's an undefined number. That means it's automatically 0. But you can't see out it because it's undefined. See out mine. See in. It's important. Oh crap! Sorry. It's important that the bracket thingies goes this way. So see in. Hello. And see in half. Now we want to see out them so we can see it. So just do see out half and see out mine. And hello. It's pretty self-explanatory. C, C++ in, or C, C++ out. That's basically what C in means. Now when we run the program, what did I do? I didn't put a semicolon after them. What did I do? Let's just say 0, 0 at the moment. Because my compiler is really weird. Now let's run it. What did I do? Never mind. Okay, so something in that string. Now we're gonna enter in mine. So we're gonna say mine is 4. We're gonna say hello is 5. We're gonna say half is 0.5. Here we go. See out half 0.5. See out hello is 4, and see out mine is 5. That's what we did. It's a very simple program, but it will be useful later because this is interactive. You're getting on, and